Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, yesterday we did end up pushing back up to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And because the trend is down on every single higher time frame, this is exactly where I would have been looking for a short, is three waves up, Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the downside, nice break to the downside. Now the trend is down and I'm always leading towards the higher time frame trend. I mean, this thing could easily just keep on going down. Unless it breaks to the upside on on a higher time frame, I am definitely still recommending shorts in a downtrend. Now, you could possibly, if you trade lower than the 1 hour, you could put your Fibonacci retracement from here to here and then just observe price to see if it does bounce from a fib level, kicking us back to the upside. But for me personally, as a trend trader, I am definitely ignoring anything I see to the downside as a possible long, but instead I'm just trying to get short at the end of every single pullback I see, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.